Okay, so we are leaving the Electrify America chargers here in Niles, Ohio, and we're gonna go check out the GM Ultium battery plant progress. So, see you guys in a few minutes. Hey guys, so we're by a busy roadway, just to let you know, just in case if you hear some background noise, but we found the GM Ultium battery pack factory and it's being manufactured as we speak. I'll turn around. Like I said, we're across the highway though. So I'll zoom in a little bit so you guys can see, but there is the main building right now. And you can see that it's this massive construction site that literally reaches for miles upon miles. I wish I could get a better shot of it. Wait for that truck to go by. But that's as far in as I can go. But there's structure and the battery plant is being made. I'm so excited. For those who do not know, the new GM Ultium battery plant is going to be GM's factory for their next generation batteries that's going to offer an ultimate range of over 400 plus miles on a full charge, faster charging, and a lot of other features. I really hope you guys can hear me with all this traffic, but it's really cool. It's going to allow GM to build their next generation of electric vehicles. So it turns out there's a car coming, but I can zoom in further. That's the main structure being built. So exciting. Absolutely so exciting. Sorry for that truck. This building is going to be massive. I don't know if it's going to be gigafactory size, but it's still going to be pretty huge. And honestly, it's big for Ohio.